Okay, so good morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Well, let me just have a look at you all. So just quickly switch on your videos. Okay, so all are ready with your work? Are you ready with your work or not? Up to the question which was discussed till yesterday.
Yes, sir.
this habit of not replying, this actually irritates me a lot. Yes, Ramesh, just want to say something, or that is the answer to my question? So now this is our next question which is there. Have you anyone tried to solve this? Any one of you who have tried to solve it? It seems that I am just alone here talking to myself. And now I am not going to say anything. You just, if you want, you may give your response. And if I feel so, then I'll continue from tomorrow with the live classes. Otherwise, you'll get your recorded ones. So here you have the two equations.
Yes,
This
sir.
is your first and this is your second equation. Now from equation 1, if you check this, under root 2x plus under root 3y equals to 0. If you want to calculate the value of x from here, then under root 2x is equal to minus under root 3y. And value of x becomes minus under root 3y upon under root 2. So this is the value of x which you have. Now what is the next step?
Substitute the value of x into equation second.
Substitute the value of x in equation 2.
Second.
In the second equation, you have to substitute the value. Second equation is under root 3x minus under root 8y equals to 0. Here in place of this x, substitute this value now. So you have under root 3 multiplied by minus under root 3y upon under root 2 minus under root 8y equals to 0. So further simplify this. If you further simplify this now, under root 3 is to be multiplied with this. What are you going to get? How you will multiply?
Minus 3.
Under root 3 when multiplied by minus under root 3y, it is minus 3y upon
root 2. Root 2.
Will you multiply under root 3 and under root 2 or not?
Root 6. No, sir.
No.
It will not be multiplied. Because when you are multiplying, you are going to multiply only in fractions. So minus 3y upon under root 2 minus under root 8y equals to 0. You are going to take the LCM here. Your LCM is under root 2. Then Cross multiply, so minus 3y multiplied by 1 gives you minus 3y. Then this minus under root 2 multiplied by under root 8y. When you cross multiply these two, what you are going to get?
4.
It is 4y.
4. Yes, sir.
Because when you multiply under root 2 and under root 8, it is under root 16. And square root of 16 is 4.
4.
So further solving it, minus 7y equals to this under root 2, you can transpose it to the other side. It gives you 0. So y equals to 0 divided by minus 7. Now what is y equals to then?
7. 0.
0.
0 when divided by any number gives you 0.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So the value of y is 0. Now what you have to do?
Substitute the value of
Value of y is equal to in equation 3.
Substitute value of y in equation. Either you can substitute here in 3 or you may substitute in 1. Any of the two equations you can substitute. So I think it will be easy to substitute in 3.
Yes, sir.
So when you substitute in equation 3, it is minus under root 3 upon under root 2. And in place of this y here now, it will be 0.
0.
So you get x equals to 0.
0.
Then your solution is x equals to 0, y equals to 0. This is your solution. Any doubt in this? Shall we move ahead then?
Yes, sir.
So this your next question number 6. These are the two equations which you have. How you are going to solve it now? From equation 1. Three x upon 2 equals to minus 2, and this minus 5y upon 3, when you move it to the other side, it becomes plus 5y upon 3. 3x upon 2 equals to, your LCM is 3, minus 6 plus 5y. What is x equals to?
3 upon 2.
This 3 upon 2, when you move it to the other side, it will become 2 upon 3. Multiplied will be converted into divide. So multiply this with minus 6 plus 5y upon 3. What is the value of x you get? Minus 12 plus 10y upon 9. Now this is the value of x which you have. Then substitute this value. value of x in equation
3.
not 3. When you substitute in equation 2, your equation 2 is x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equals to 13 upon 6. Now, how will you substitute this value here? कैसे करोगे? Tell me, anyone? But if there are any background voices behind you, then just mute yourself. Yes, tell me quickly how you are going to solve this. The value of x, you have to substitute this value here. How it will be written? 1 upon 3 multiplied by, now the value of x, which is minus 12 plus 10y upon 9. And plus y upon 2 equals to 13 upon 6. So this is how it will be there. Now further simplify it. One upon 3 when multiplied, minus 12 plus 10y upon 3 multiply 9, 27 plus y upon 2 equals to 13 upon 6. Now further simplify this. Take the LCM. LCM of 27 and 2. What will be the LCM? Yes, LCM of 27 and 2.
54. 54.
It is 54. Then 54 divided by 27. It is 2.
2 times.
2 will be multiplied with minus 12 plus 10y. And 54 when divided by 2. It is 27 times. So 27 is to be multiplied with y. It gives you 13 upon 6. So this is now minus 24 plus 20y plus 27y equals to 13 upon 6, and this 54 here, move it to the other side, it will be minus 54. So 6 and 54?
9 times.
9 times. 20y plus 27y. 47y equals to 13 into 9. 13 nines are
117.
117.
17.
And this minus 24, move it to the other side.
Plus 24.
It gives you plus 24. So 47y equals to, if you add these now, 141.
Sir,
then y equals to 141 upon 47. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. So you get the value of y as 3. After you find the value of y, then you have to substitute y equals to 3 in equation. I think it will be easy now to substitute in 3 only.
Yes, sir.
So let it be in 3 itself. X equals to minus 12 plus 10 multiplied 3 upon 9.
9.
So x equals to minus 12 plus 30 upon 9.
9.
And you have x equals to, now 30 minus 12, 18 upon 9,
18
which gives you
upon 2. 2.
So your solution is x equals to 2, y equals to 3.
3.
3.
This is your solution. Clear with it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move ahead then?
Yes,
Dinaram, what happened?
yes, sir.
Got tired? Eh?
Mm.
See, your class fellows, they are ready with the notebook, they are writing it, and you are just relaxing.
Screenshot.
Means you are working smart, hard, not smarter, not harder. Eh? Others are working hard and you are working smart. Anyway, so your next question, which is there. This is your next question, which says solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Hence, find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. You are given to solve these equations now. 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. First, you have to solve these two equations. And after solving these two equations, then you have to find the value of m such that y equals to mx plus 3. So whatever the values of y and x you are going to get, those values will be substituted in this, and then you are going to calculate the value of m. So quickly solve this now. From equation 1. Now what do you have there for equation 1?
2x plus 3y is equal to 11.
You'll calculate the value of x.
Yes, sir.
So 2x equals to
3y.
11 minus 3y. And x equals to 11 minus 3y upon 2.
2.
Consider this as equation number 3. Then substitute value of x
Equation
in equation 2.
2.
Substitute it in the second equation. You get there 2 multiplied by 11 minus 3y upon 2 and minus 4y equals to minus 24.
24.
So here now this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out
Mm.
and you are left with 11 minus 3y minus 4y equals to minus 24.
24.
Now simplify this further. 11 minus 7y equals to minus 24.
Sir,
So what do you get next?
11 goes. Sir, 11 right side में भेजेंगे.
Minus 7 equals to minus 24 minus 11.
yes, sir. 13.
You get minus 7y as minus 35. Then y equals to minus 35 upon minus 7. You get the value of y as 5.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Then you need to substitute
Equation 2.
value of y in
In equation 2.
equation
Equation 2.
3.
Second.
Substitute the value here. If you substitute here, you get x equals to 11 minus 3 multiply 5 upon 2.
2.
That is x equals to 11 minus 15 upon 2. X equals to
14.
minus 4 upon 2, which is minus
X
2.
2.
2.
So the solution is x equals to minus 2 and y equals to 5. Now after this solution, the second part is find the value of y if y equals to mx plus 3. Now you are given this relation that y is equal to mx plus 3 and you have to find the value of this m here. So in order to find the value of m, substitute the value of y and x. Y is 5, m multiplied by minus 2 and plus 3. Solve this, you will get the value of m. It is 2 equals to minus 2m. 2 upon minus 2 equals to m. Then m equals to minus 1.
1.
This is the value of m which you need. So this is how it is to be done.
Yes, sir.
क्यों?
So now this question number 3, beta. It says form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. So first of all, you have to form the equations for these. It says that difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Then find them. So because there are two numbers, we are going to deal with two variables. Say let the numbers be x and y. So if you take the numbers as x and y, the first condition says the difference between the two numbers is 26.
X minus
X
y
minus y equals to 26.
26.
Okay. Now one more thing you will have to do is when you are taking the numbers x and y, and because you are given the difference is 26. So what we will do, we will also write down here in between that which is the greater number we have taken and which is the smaller one which we are taking. So here when you write there, let the numbers be x, make this largest or larger or bigger, and y the smaller one. So this is your first equation which you have. Then the second part, it says one number is 3 times the other. एक जो नंबर है वो दूसरे का क्या है 3 times. It is triple the other number. So what will be that second condition then? How you are
X
going
is
to
equal to
represent this?
X is equal to 3y.
3x.
One number is 3 times the other. It means it will be the larger number.
3x.
X is equal to 3 times the smaller one, that is 3y. So you can keep this as it is, that x equals to 3y. Solving these two equations you have to find out. अब इसको जो x equal to 3y है, if you want to write it, you can write it as x minus 3y equals to 0, making it the second equation. And then the same substitution method. What we do, from one equation we take the value of x, substitute in the other one. So here already in this equation you have the value of x. So no need to go it from 1. Here what we can do, here you can say substitute
The value of X
value of x
in equation
from
1.
equation 2. The value of x is there from equation 2 in equation 1. So this value we are going to substitute in equation 1. Then what do we get? 3y there minus y equals to 26.
26.
When you do it like this, then this part is not needed. There's no need to write this as equation. So further this you can solve it now. Get the value of y. After getting the value of y, you are going to substitute this value in equation 2 and get the value of x. So in this way you can find the numbers. It will be completed now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so same is your second part also. Just try it out, and tomorrow we will discuss about the solution of this two.
So the sir, so different way that for third answer page. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
So for today, we'll end it here itself,
Yes, sir.
and meet you tomorrow, and hope so that tomorrow I get your responses without any intimation. Okay then. Goodbye all of you. Get ready for your next class.
Okay, sir.